A very warm welcome, family lambs, and welcome to episode 3. Yes, episode 3 of Arnold Bradley Vlogs Food Cookery Tips. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious cheese sandwich, but not any old cheese sandwich. Cheese and pickle. Well, it was originally going to be cheese and tomato, but guys, that's a bit boring, isn't it? I wanted to do something more fun and more interesting, so I decided cheese and pickle. I'm a little pickle anyway. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, family lambs, first of all I'm going to butter my bread, just like so. Right, now I've marged my bread, now I need to do is cut the cheese. What I do is I cut it like in a whole chunk, like here. Ooh, just takes its time. Mr. Strongman here will get through it. There you go. All you need to do now is just sprinkle that on. Here we go. Okay, now I've put my cheese on. Next thing I'll be doing is putting pickle on, but first of all, I'm not going to let this cheese go to waste. Delicious. Right, now I'm going to spread the pickle like this. Spread it out. Oh yeah, guys, there's a YouTuber called Pickles. His name is Gamer Pickles 900. Yeah, guys, he makes a fantastic videos. He does reactions to videos if you request nicely. He did a reaction to my video, reacted to the postcode lottery. Oh, it was so funny though. And yeah, so subscribe to Gamer Pickles 900 today. And a big shout out to Jade P. If you go into episode 2 of my food cookery video, you know, the one with the cheese on toast one, Jade P commented on that, so if you subscribe to her today. And also another big shout out to John Freeman. I've forgotten his YouTube channel name, but he's also commented on my cheese on toast video as well. He only has 11 subscribers, guys. Can we get him up to at least 10 million subscribers? He makes like sick videos and stuff, so you'll love his video, guys. So subscribe to them who I shouted out today, and the Arnold crew. But I'll come back to that in a sec. But now I've spreaded my pickle around, but I can't resist this. This is what I normally do sometimes, guys. I'm so hungry. It's lovely. I can't wait. I just get so hungry and peckish. Right, guys, now I've done that, I'm going to put that on top, just like so. Squeeze it down. You can either cut it in a triangle, square. I'm going to cut it in a square. Ooh, heavy as anything. Come on. Nearly there. Done. Well, guys, that is how you make a delicious, lovely cheese and pickle sarnie. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe today when my finger is pointing to follow my latest videos. Subscribe to our Arnold crew today. Go into my channels, and the Arnold crew should be all down in a column. And yeah, my next video on this cookie episode will be episode 4, and it'll be me showing you how to make like lovely warm hot ambrosia custard. So maybe have ginger cake to go with it, Swiss roll, whatever really. So yeah, something to look forward to. So you don't want to miss that. Well, thank you for watching. I'm gonna enjoy my sandwich now. So we'll see you again for some videos. Delicious. Peace out, my homies.